Okay, this is my friend Stephanie. I'm gonna videotape her eating. See, there is a Pop-Tart. That is the food source that she has chosen.
Look. Ronnie, this is my new boyfriend.
Yeah, she's cheating on you, Ronnie.
Yeah.
Might wanna think about who you date next time. She is a very bad girl. The most boyfriends she's had at one time is 6.
Look.
She's had 6 boyfriends at one time.
No, I heard it.
Okay, the screaming worked. Okay, now. She is eating a Pop-Tart. Looks like a brown cinnamon and sugar Pop-Tart. And now she is hiding. Cause some embarrassment because I'm doing this. And there's her dad, who is on the bed behind her, as she is tickling me.